In this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate any Shopify store using AI so you can massively speed up the process of building stores and testing products quickly. So here is the original Shopify store we want to replicate, and this is the store we have generated using AI. As you can see, they're almost identical. I'll also show you how to connect a supplier to your AI store once it has been created so you can begin fulfilling orders right away. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is sign up for Shopify. So click on the link below and you'll be brought to this page. This will allow you to get Shopify for just $1 per month. So enter in your email address for your Shopify account, choose a Shopify plan and pick a name for your store. Now we can install the AI Store Builder app that will allow us to replicate any Shopify store and build your Shopify store from scratch using AI. So click on the link below and you'll be brought to the Atlas AI Store and Page Builder Shopify app. Now you can get a free trial of this app, so you'll get a 7-day free trial. So all you need to do is click on install and then install again. Approve the Atlas plan, and when you are approving the plan, you can use the code Elliot10 for 10% off of the first 3 months of your Atlas AI subscription. Once you approve the Atlas app, you'll be brought to the Atlas dashboard and you'll be asked whether you want to create a full store, a product page, or a landing page. Before we proceed with creating our store using AI, we're going to install a theme onto our Shopify store. So click Online Store, click Import Theme, click Visit Theme Store, and search for Dawn. Dawn is a free theme and it's super fast. So click Try Theme, and once the Dawn theme has finished installing, click Publish and Publish again. Now we can head back to the Atlas app. From Atlas, you'll be asked whether you want to create a full store, a product page, or a landing page. We're going to choose full store. You'll then be asked to add a link to the store URL you want to replicate. Now, to find stores that are scaling and bringing in huge amounts of revenue, you can use a product research tool like Minea. So from Minea, we can click Products and filter the products by category to find winning products. So if we take a look at this light product here, for example, as you can see, it is bringing in 3K a day in sales. So this could be the store that we choose to replicate using Atlas. I'm going to be replicating this barefoot shoe store called Pure Step, and this store is currently bringing in 7K a day in sales. So I'll leave a link in the description to Minea as well. So I've pasted in a link to the store I want to replicate. However, this can be a link from AliExpress, from Amazon, Alibaba, or Shopify. You can use Atlas to build stores with AI using various platforms. Once you've pasted in the link, click Confirm Product. You'll be asked to choose the style of your store. I'm going to select Let Atlas Decide and click Build AI Store. You can then activate product bundles on your store, so enter in your product costs. If you're sourcing from AliExpress, for example, you can enter in the product costs from here and click Activate Bundle. You can also activate a cart drawer with upsells, so click Activate Cart Drawer. Atlas will then take a few moments to build your store using AI. After a few moments, your store will be ready. You can preview it and change things like the color scheme and the text before publishing it. However, we will change some of this in a moment, so we're going to click Publish Pages. Now we've published our store, we can click Online Store and come to the theme editor. Next up, I'm going to upload my store logo and change some of the colors to match the branding of the store that I want to replicate. So we're going to do this for every element on our homepage. Your homepage should pretty much be ready to go once you change your store colors and upload your logo. Now we can navigate to the product page of our store. The first thing we're going to do is upload some better product images. So if you come back to Atlas, you can click on AI Product Photos, upload some images from the competitor store photos, give Atlas a brief description of the image you want to create, and click Generate Image. Atlas will then generate a new image of the product using AI. So now you have unique images for your store as well. You can then save these images and then click on Products in your Shopify dashboard, go into the product that Atlas has created for you, and upload these images to the product gallery. You'll also want to sort out your store's navigation menus. So click Content and then Menus. So I'm going to add my policy pages to my store's footer and click Save. Finally, on my product page, I'm going to make sure all of the sections match the color scheme for the store I want to replicate and upload some more images to sections that require better images. So now I've updated the colors and added some better images to my product page. As you can see, our store is pretty much ready to go, and it took me less than 10 minutes to get this all set up. Now, the final thing you want to do is connect a supplier platform to your store so you can start fulfilling orders when the orders start coming in. So you can use a tool like DSs to do this. DSs allows us to connect an AliExpress product to our Shopify store. So when someone buys this product, it will be fulfilled by the AliExpress supplier. So head to DSs and create an account. Select to connect your Shopify store and click Install. Install the DS's Shopify app onto your store. Then you can choose a DS's plan. So we're going to go for the free plan. In your DS's account, click on My Products and click on Unmapped. You'll see a share icon on your product that says mapping when you hover over it. So just click on this. From here, paste in a link to the AliExpress supplier you want to use to fulfill your orders, and then map the variants on your store with the variants of the AliExpress product. For example, I've chosen the red, black, grey and turquoise versions of these shoes to map with the AliExpress supplier's shoes. Click Save and then click Save again. The product will then go from unmapped into the AliExpress tab, which means if someone buys it from your store, you can automatically fulfill it with the AliExpress supplier via DSs. So there you have it. We just replicated an entire Shopify store in a matter of minutes and connected this store with a supplier, all with the power of AI. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping and e-commerce content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.